Now we are discussing about regular falsi method. This method also known as falsi position method. This method also depends on the repeated application of intermediate value property. We know the intermediate value property statement. It is given by if f of x is continuous on closed interval a comma b and f of a, f of b have opposite signs, then at least one root of the equation f of x equal to 0 lies between a and b. So in regular falsi method, first approximation of the root x1 equal to formula given by a into f of b minus b into f of a by f of b minus f of a. Actually in bisection method, f of a and f of b values useful to decide f of a and f of b have opposite signs only. They are not going to be involved in the calculation of approximate root. In bisection method, to calculate approximate root, formula is a plus b by 2. That formula is only different from bisection to regular falsi method. In regular falsi method, the same procedure like bisection we are going to do, but the formula to find approximate root in regular falsi method is this one, a into f of b minus b into f of a by f of b minus f of a. Here f of a and f of b values useful to decide f of a, f of b have opposite signs and as well as in calculating the approximate root. Now the problem is find a real root of the equation x cube minus x minus 2 equal to 0 over the interval by regular falsi method. So here the equation is x cube minus x minus 2 0. That means take f of x as x cube minus x minus 2. Now we are going to apply first intermediate value property. As the polynomial is continuous on whole real number line, now decide f of a, f of b have opposite signs. Calculate f of 1 and f of 2. We have to do f of 0 also in the starting. Actually you have to do f of 0, that is minus 2 negative, but in this particular problem we won't do this because find real root of equation in the interval 1 comma 2 means definitely if we calculate f of 1 and f of 2 they have opposite signs. So without doing that they mention in between 1 and 2 find out root of the equation. As in calculating approximate root we need f of 1, f of 2 values. That's why we did here. Clearly f of 1 negative, f of 2 positive. So by intermediate value property f of 1 and f of 2 have opposite signs. So root lies between 1 and 2. After getting this point, among these two values take smaller one as a and the remaining bigger one as a b. So a equal to 1, b equal to 2. So at a, that means at 1, f of 1 is minus 2, f of b, that is f of 2 is 4. Note down those values also. In deciding opposite signs, these are going to be involved in calculating approximate root. So first approximation of the root formula is in regular falsi method a into f of b minus b into f of a by f of b minus f of a. Substitute a value 1, b value f of b value 4 minus b 2, f of b value minus f of a minus 2 divided by f of b minus f of a, f of b 4, f of a minus 2. So once go for simplification with the minus signs and evaluate the value, that is 1.333 like that. Now after getting f of x1, calculate f of x1. It is a negative. As we are going to apply again intermediate value property, f of x1 negative, we have to check for recent positive. Recent positive exists at f of 2. F of x1 negative, f of 2 positive. So f of 2 and f of x1 have opposite signs. So root lies between 2 and x1. Root lies between 2 and x1. So among these two, take smaller one as a. That is important point in applying regular falsi. x1 1.33. So take it as a and b is 2. And note down corresponding f of a, f of b. Already we evaluated f at first approximation, that is minus 0.96296 and f at 2 4. So apply formula a into f of b minus b into f of a by f of b minus f of a. Now evaluate x2. After getting x2, you will get a doubt whether this is right or wrong. How you conclude means root lies between x1 and 2. We calculated next approximation. What is the value? 1.46 something. Clearly, this is in between these two. Root lies between x1 and 2. Clearly 1.4 something means clearly in between 1.3 and 2. So with that conclude your approximation is right and continue further procedure. And before going to